Hello everyone. So in last lecture we see the basic concept of benzene, and in this lecture we see the method of preparation for benzene and their chemical reactions and electrophilic reaction which is important in benzene. So firstly we start with the method of preparation. So first reaction is dehydration of cyclohexane, second from acetylene, third from alkenes, fourth preparation in laboratory, and fifth one is Ward's fitting reaction. So our first reaction is dehydration of cyclohexane. So the synthesis of benzene from the cyclohexane or N-heptane with by using the catalyst platinum palladium, which is act as a dehydration, will give benzene. So next reaction is from acetylene. Here's the reaction of acetylene. So simply the acetylene which react with organonickel catalyst which gives the benzene, but here's the acetylene we use is in a 3 molecules. Next reaction is from alkane. The reaction of N-hexane or N-heptane by using the catalyst chromium trioxide or aluminum trichloride which gives the benzene. So only the alkanes are gives the benzene by this process, not a alkene and alkynes. So next is the preparation of benzene in laboratory. It is possible to synthesize the benzene in laboratory with the, so much processes. So first process we discuss here is the sodium salt of benzoic acid which heated with the lime soda or in the presence of calcium oxide, it gives the benzene molecule. Next reaction is Ward's fitting reaction. The reaction in which we use the aryl halide means the halide which is attached to the aromatic ring. Here the aromatic ring is a benzene. So the aryl halide is a bromobenzene. We react with the alkyl halide and 2 molecules of sodium which gives the benzene molecule and separately sodium iodide and sodium bromide. So this reaction is different from Ward's reaction. This is the Ward's fitting reaction. So the next reaction is the chemical reactions of benzene. So here's the 3 reactions of benzene. First, electrophilic substitution reaction, second, oxidation reaction, and third, addition reaction. So we start with the first reaction, which is a electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophilic substitution reaction, in reaction the substituent electrophile we use to add into the reaction. To substitute in the reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. So here's the two rings, the group which attach to the benzene ring, the groups are activate or deactivate the aromatic ring. So firstly which activate the ring, those are the groups which attach to the ring that donate the electrons, and which attached at a or activate group directly gives at a or attached to the ortho and para position, only the ortho and para position. Here is the order of activity group from most to least: NH2, NR2, OH, OR, NH, COR, CH3 and other alkyl group. So the most activity group is NH2 and least one is a alkyl group. Second one is a deactivating ring. So in this, these are deactivate the aromatic ring, the groups which are attached at the meta position and which withdraw the electrons from the ring. So here the most deactivating group is NO2 and least one is a halogen, and others are CF3, COR, CN, SO3H. So first we start with the electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene. This reaction is carried out because the delocalized ring of electrons which is present above and below the carbon atoms. So in these two steps of electrophilic substitution reaction, first step is a slow rate determining step, second one is a fast step. In first step there is an intermediate form. So the firstly electrophile which attack on the benzene ring and form a covalent bond with the electrophile, and here this double bond break and it carbon get the positive charge due to the less bond of the carbon. And next step is a fast step. In this step again the hydrogen their electron transfer to the carbon and make a double bond, and the hydrogen will be removed. And here's the formation of electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene. So first step slow step, second step is a fast step. Next is a halogenation step. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction. In this, the halogens we use as electrophiles for the reaction. So, halogen carrier catalyst also used for this reaction. The catalyst is for bromine is FeBr2 and for chlorine is FeCl3. So, in this, when the chlorine is react with the benzene, it forms the chlorobenzene in the presence of catalyst FeCl3. And when bromobenzene is formed when bromine is react with the benzene in the presence of FeBr3. So here's the mechanism of the reaction. Shortly, the bromination of benzene and chlorination of benzene. Though catalysts which are used which are also anhydrous, and it makes firstly the plus charge of bromine and again regeneration of halogen carrier catalyst. So next reaction is nitration reaction, the reaction in which benzene react with the HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. It gives the nitrobenzene. And the second reaction is sulfonation reaction, the reaction of benzene with the sulfuric acid, which is a concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives the benzene sulfonic acid. Next reaction is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. The reaction in which benzene react with 2-chloropropane in the presence of aluminum trichloride. It gives the cumene isopropyl benzene and separately HCl. So the next reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Alkylation and acylation both are the separate reactions. So in this acylation there is a ketone group which attached, and in alkylation only a alkyl group is attached. So the acylation, the reaction of benzene with acetyl chloride, which is a ketone group which react with the AClCl3, it gives the acetophenol. Both reactions containing aluminum trichlorides for the reaction. Next reaction is the addition reaction, the reaction in which added the group in the reaction. So here the first addition of hydrogen. So the benzene undergo addition reaction with a hydrogen in the presence of reducing agent, which is a platinum or palladium, which gives the cyclohexane. Here's the benzene containing 3 double bonds. Those are removed by the addition of 6 hydrogens, because the one bond wants 2 hydrogens for removal of the one bond from the benzene. So here the 3 bonds removed by the 6 hydrogen molecules. So the next addition reaction is a halogen. So in this the Addition of halogen in the reaction with benzene in the presence of UV light or at a high temperature, it gives the benzene hexachloride. Because this benzene containing 6 carbons and the chlorine which are 6 attached to the 6 carbons by forming a covalent bond with a carbon and form a hexachloride. Next reaction is the oxidation reaction. The reaction in which the benzene react with a ozone molecule which form the benzene triazonide, which further on hydrolysis or in the presence of zinc gives the glyoxane. So the reaction is ozonolysis reaction which forms the triazonide with a benzene molecule by the bonding of the ozone with these 2 carbons. So here the 6 carbons that form the 3 ozonides with the ozone molecules. So the under hydrolysis gives the glyoxyl. So here the method of preparation and chemical reactions of benzenes are completed. Thank you. Here we stop.